biggest tire dealer in the United States. Look at the person next to you and tell them you're great.
Outside earlier today, and they said, hey, what is this company? What do y'all do? And she told me a little bit, and she goes, I just can't believe it. Like, everybody I see is just happy, and they're smiling, and you guys look like you're having fun. Isn't that what work is supposed to be? Amen? Thankful for the last 25 years, and we're so excited and honored to be a part of the next 25, to hear, see, and feel the stories that you, your people, and our customers will tell.